Hello. Today we will be talking about how to fix if you have faulty drivers, how to fix them on an AMD GPU. Um, this is a really fairly simple process, um, but it's a good thing to know because I've had issues personally um, with my drivers in the past for my 7900 XTX, and it's a kind of a scary thing to deal with. So take some deep breaths first of all. Anyway, so go in here. This is where you see your drivers. Now, it's difficult to tell when an issue is a hardware issue and a driver issue. In this case, I would expect you to already know that this is a driver issue. Um, if yeah, I mean, all right. So manage updates. I mean, it's a yes. Yes, let AMD give it access to your device. Um, Install manager. Give this a second to load. All right. So this is where you can tell your chipset drivers are what really matter here. Um, but I guess this is how to fix faulty drivers. But if this says it's all up to date, then it's all up to date. I'm just gonna update this. I had no clue that AMD Adrenaline Edition needed an update. Whatever. Anyway, next, what we'll do is you can hit Windows. Or wait, no. Shoot. Wait. All right. Give me 1 second. Device Manager. All right. So you want to open Device Manager. A lot of different ways to do this. All right. So from in here, you'll want to find so it should be, yes, in your display adapters. You'll want to find your Radeon. Make sure this is working properly. Now, if it weren't working properly, what you would want to do, yeah, no. So it's in drivers. Now this is the good stuff. All right. So you know that there's a driver issue, and you fix it in here. So update drivers, disable, uninstall. So if you just did a clean update of a driver, and your last one was working, you would want to roll back. Now, like, yeah, do this if you want to. But uninstalling and then going back to your AMD Adrenaline Edition and then managing updates for the chipset would get you in the same spot as just rolling back. So it doesn't really matter which of the two you choose to do. Yeah, no. Wait. So it doesn't matter which of the two you choose to do. Both work. I mean, yeah, but it's good to know how to use that. I had a friend who he just got an AMD GPU. And I remember he was really struggling with getting his drivers going, and he didn't have any AMD software installed, and he didn't know how to install drivers. And it took him a while and a little bit of my help to get that all figured out. So, hopefully this was able to fix your issue. Um, it should fix 99% of them. And I suggest personally, after updating your drivers, you almost always want to restart your PC. Fresh start, make sure everything's working well. And that should be it. I thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to. Oh snap! Oh, I cannot access OBS anymore. Oh yeah, this is another thing that happens when you update your drivers. Your monitor or monitors will tweak out. Um, and you know, like my secondary monitor just shut off there for a second. I'm not sure if you guys could tell. Anyway, thank you for watching. And oh, okay, my monitor. Okay, sorry. Second. Yes, it's the joys of updating GPU software. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to. Goodbye.